Tesla's stores in Los Angeles and Palo Alto, California appeared something unique today, with the two showrooms turning into the first in the United States to include the Model 3 in plain view. It denotes the first run through the Silicon Valley-based electric carmaker is conveying the Model 3 to its retail location for open utilization, a sign that Tesla is set up for the normal increment to its officially sizable pre-order mean the electric minimized. Guests to Tesla's store in Stanford Shopping Center in Palo Alto and Century City Mall in Los Angeles Center markets for first Model 3 conveyances will have the chance to see, sit in, and encounter the much-discussed mass showcase electric Auto. The introduction quickly inspired an emotional response among participants of a private occasion held at Tesla's retail location on Thursday evening, with numerous devotees posting photographs of the Model 3 via web-based networking media. In a considerable measure of ways, the presentation of the Model 3 at both the Stanford and Century showrooms is a staggeringly great sign for Tesla and its consistently developing buyer base. For a very long time, the organization had been against offering the Model 3, contrasting it less positively with the Model S and accentuating the long hold-up related with the more moderate vehicle. Indeed, even Tesla CEO Elon Musk pushed the organization's hostile to offering endeavors towards the mass-market auto, unequivocally reminding clients that the Model 3, regardless of being the most current vehicle in Tesla's lineup, does not highlight better highlights thought about than its bigger, more costly kin. Musk even noticed that he would keep driving his Model S long after the Model 3 is discharged, in spite of the California-based electric auto creators' earnest attempts against offering the Model 3. In any case, the reduced electric vehicle has figured out how to keep up uncommon quantities of its pre-orders by currently highlighting the Model 3 of every two of its showrooms in California. Tesla is by all accounts putting forth an exceptionally strong expression, one that proposes that the organization is presently sure it can scale the reduced electric autos generation to address the mind-boggling interest for the vehicle. Tesla is as of now increased the generation of the Model 3 in the electric auto creators' Q4 2017 conveyance report. Tesla expressed that it is hoping to hit its objective pace of assembling 5,000 Model 3 units for each week before the finish of Q2 2018.